Do you know many people are having trouble with operating the air fryer on their GE JGB735SPSS stove? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select Convection Bake. Begin by selecting Convection Bake's mode by pressing the corresponding button. Step 2. Choose other options. You can choose Bake Broil Hi or Broil Lo options with the respective buttons if you wish. Step 3. Start air fryer. Press the Start button to initiate the air fryer or any function. Step 4. Cancel process. In case you wish to end the process, hit cancel/off. This won't affect the clock or timer. Step 5. Set cook time. Use Cook Time button to set a specific cooking duration. Finalize it with Start. Step 6. Use Timer. The Timer button can be used for setting a separate timer, which can be started and stopped individually. By following these simple steps, you should now be able to easily use the air fryer on your GE stove. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other GE users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.